There are three methods to convert a single body part into multi-body part using sketch, reference plane, as well as surface. The split tools convert a single body part into multi-body part and save each body as an individual part. Our current part has only one body. So load split tool from command bar, then select a reference plane. That is the first method, and cut part. Double click here and save a part. Double click here, then save this body also as a part. Make sure consume body option is off. From origin, select the origin. OK. And wait. You can see that this part has been converted into two other parts. This one and this one. And our part has now two bodies. This is one first body. You can give a specific color to each body. So next method is to use split tool with sketch option. Again, load split tool from command bar and select the sketch. Click on cut bodies. Then select the bodies you want to save as a part. So select this middle one. Double click here. Give it a specific name. Then save it. From target bodies option, select selected bodies. You can see that we have applied two split features up to now on this part. OK. So this is our new part, and our original part has been converted into three multi-bodies. And last step is to use split tool with surface option. Again, load split tool, then select this surface, cut bodies, and select our bodies to save as a part. That is the tail end of this part. So double click here and give it a specific name, then save. OK. So this is our new part. So our original part has been converted into four different bodies. This one, third one, and this last one. And also saved each bodies as an individual part. This part, this part, this part, and this last part. So using split tool, we can split bodies in to multi-body part. Please make a practice of this. Thank you.